Hey there guys, and welcome to another video. Here we have a Chieftec UNI series. So let's go to unbox and have a little review about it. It's very well packed. Nice material also. Yeah, pretty interesting. This is how it looks like the back. This is the other side of the case. Also it has a net here. And here it goes the motherboard. Here goes all the graphic cards. So you can put up to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's a 7 slot, which will support a ATX. Here we have some screws. It's nice they installed the screws for the motherboard here. So here, this is the USB type 3. This is another USB. And this is the audio. Cool. And here you can put 120mm fans in the front. In the back here you can put only 80mm fan. That's the maximum. Yeah. Let's open the front. So the front has nothing here, no protection. But it has protection in the side here. Yeah. So this is how it looks like here. the USBs, USB type C, the headphone, microphone, and two LEDs, one for, I think this is for processing and this one is for power. Yeah, very nice. This is the Chieftec UNI series. Alright, I think that's it. I'll show you later how the motherboard is installed with some graphic cards on it. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Please subscribe to the channel as well, and have a nice day. Bye.